Hi, I'm Dr. PK Talwar, Cosmetic Surgeon, New Delhi. When previously I was attached to Apollo and Max hospitals, and now I'm running my own cosmetic laser surgery center at Greater Class Part 1, New Delhi. And as I said, I've been practicing for more than 30 years now. After completing my plastic surgery training from Bombay, I went to USA and got training in cosmetic or aesthetic surgery especially. That was the time when there was no training of aesthetic surgery in India. And after coming back from USA, I decided to open a cosmetic surgery center exclusively, because previously the plastic or reconstructive surgeons were also doing little bit of cosmetic surgery, and it was not developed to that extent that one could practice exclusively cosmetic surgery. And during those days, I decided not to do reconstructive procedure, but concentrate only on aesthetic or cosmetic surgery. And it required a lot of efforts for me to convince the people and patients and my doctor colleagues that it is a separate entity. The cosmetic surgery is a separate, a highly specialized entity. And it took time, naturally, and people gradually they became aware of the procedures which I was offering to them. And I started with rhinoplasties, liposuction, and later on I started getting patients for abdominoplasties, facelifts, hair transplants. So besides that, blepharoplasty is there, double chin, breast augmentation and reduction, you name any procedure cosmetic which pertaining to the beauty. And gradually there was the rush for these procedures, and my vision was always that I should bring cosmetic surgery at affordable prices for the middle classes, so that they could also fulfill their dreams of having a beautiful body and gain confidence in day-to-day life. Because cosmetic surgery is all about motivation and your confidence. It enhances your confidence by no ends, and it just multiplies. If you walk out of the cosmetic surgery clinic after getting a cosmetic surgery procedures, you think that you are riding on the clouds, and it just changes your personality completely. I've seen girls getting married, getting good jobs, going to becoming air hostesses, all these things after getting cosmetic surgery procedure. One of my early patients, she was running for Miss India contest, and she came to me for, I think in early 90s, she came to me for liposuction of the thighs, and that time she came runners up. So that was something very wonderful for her as well as for me also. And she came and thanked me profusely about that. So I think this is all about self-image, self-esteem, and confidence, and that is my dream, and I am still working on that. And with so many thousands of patients for 30 plus years now, and it gives me a lot of satisfaction that I could help so many people, changing their lives. So I think it's all about giving you self-esteem and changing your lives, and that is what I look forward to producing. And with that, I would like to tell you one thing more, and that is that if you find that you are lacking in something, your looks or something, and you find that there is some fault which may be related to your problems, do not hesitate to consult your plastic surgeon. And if it can be corrected, if it can be improved, he will definitely do it for you. So never hesitate to discuss, because when I started practice, the boys were afraid to discuss about gynaecomastia, the male breast, with their parents. And gradually now the times have come that parents themselves bring their children to us. My child is having gynaecomastia, can you treat it? Women were shy to discuss about breast surgeries, and they would prefer that their husband should not know when they came to me for consultation. But now the times have changed. With internet, the knowledge is exploding and people are getting aware, and I think that is a very good sign. And we are seeing now a lot of young plastic surgeons also who are offering cosmetic surgery procedures, and I'm sure the future of cosmetic surgery in India is very bright. Thank you very much.